Well, hello again. In the wonderful world of real estate and home ownership, today let's talk about electricity. I'm Pete English with Keller Williams, Atlanta Perimeter, and one of the leading causes of electrical fires in homes today are several things. Number one, faulty switches. Maybe you use the switch on and off multiple times for 20 years, say turning on and off the disposal maybe. Okay, so the switches get worn out and frayed, and they can cause a spark, which could cause an electrical fire. Another thing is receptacles in the wall. Sometimes you'll find people that plug things in and just yank them out and plug them in and yank them out, and over 20 years, you know, the wires get frayed on the inside, create a spark, and all of a sudden you have a house fire. Another one of the leading causes is extension cords that are too small for the circuit or for the load they're pulling. Sometimes people will put space heaters on a small extension cord. The space heater in the wintertime especially may go off in the middle of the night while you're asleep. The extension cord is too small. It throws a circuit, creates a spark, burns your house down. So it's something to take a look at, whether you're buying a house, whether you're selling your house, or whether you're simply maintaining your house with no intention to sell it. Electricity is not anything to play with. So consider looking at the circuits in your house and maybe replacing them, especially if it's one that you use all the time. Be cognizant, careful, tell your family members about just yanking things out of the plugs. It's not a good idea to do that. And certainly be careful about the extension cords that you're using around the house. And be careful. Keep your house for a bazillion years, or when you're looking to buy a house, make sure that the inspector is very careful, very cognizant of the electrical service in the house, so that you know that if it's a house you're buying, that the electrical service is up to par. Hopefully this has been helpful. If I can help you with any of your real estate needs, any of your family's needs, your friends' needs, certainly give me a call, and I would love to help you out. And until we have a next video, take care.